creating a work order. First, you will click on the icon that says Create Work Order. The input screen will come up. In the bottom section, you have your existing customers and their vehicles. Today, we will enter a new customer, and I'll show you how to use an existing customer after that. So first, we will enter the email address. And then enter their first and last name. Then enter their complete address. An apartment or suite if they have it, the city, state, and zip code. Phone number. Alternate phone number and alternate name. If this is a commercial customer, you would click this box and it would come up and you have to enter the company name. Then once we're done there, you tab until the vehicle box comes up and we enter a vehicle. And then we add that vehicle. And then the box comes up for what jobs we want to put on the work order. First, we will put a concern and hit enter. Add any additional concerns first, and then over in this box, we select any canned jobs that we want to add, and we can either double click or highlight and click add. Once you've added all the jobs you want to have on the work order, you can assign a tech here. In this case, we'll leave it for now and just say save and view the work order. It's going to ask you to save the information. We say yes. And then it should have our work order come up right here. Okay, and so the work order, once it comes up for you, you can verify it has all your information, and we can assign a tech here if we want to assign it. We can change the status. Right now, we will keep it as unassigned. We can change if we want a different service writer. And that's it. Work order is done and ready. If you want to assign it to a tech, you can assign it now. And change the status to in progress. And then we click save, and that job will be moved over to this location that you'll see right here. It is already highlighted for you, showing that it's been assigned to that tech. And that's it for making and creating a work order. Now let's create a work order by creating a work order using existing customer by create work order. We look down below and find a customer, and we can click and open, and the vehicles that they've had in for service will be listed. In this case, this is a 2005 Tundra. We can select that and double click, and the information will be inputted into the top section. In this case, we don't have a good email, so we can't enter that now. And we have the address, and once we see, we should be able to select the vehicle, and then we can enter our jobs just like we did before. All right. Okay, so if it can't find the information, then you would have to wait for the tech to be able to give you the information on work order of how much oil and filter to use. So then we can save. In this case, we can assign a tech right now and save and view the work order. Now it should open up the work order that you just made. It already shows it assigned to the tech you gave it. It's in progress, already assigned, and it's ready. Then you can go here, you would see the work order is already assigned to Bowden in this case. And that's it for creating a work order.